If you want to learn how to install 5x5 wig, this video is for you, so join me. Hi lovies, how you all doing? You're welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about wig installation. We'll be installing this my 5x5 wig. I've worn it before. I've been using it. I've used it for more than going to 2 years now, and this wig has really served me. So we'll be installing it in this video. For the products, we are going to be using hair mousse, got to be spray, this oil, gorilla gel, and this butterfly spray. And of course, this one I mixed by myself. This is water, leave-in conditioner, and a bit of Eco Styler gel. And then the combs we're going to be using. So I'll be starting off by using my micellar water to clean my forehead, to make sure that there is no oil there, so that the go-to-be glue can stay when I spray it. And then I went on to wear my hair. This hair has really served me. So it has served me, and I think I bought it August last year. Yeah. So I'm just, no, not August last year, I think May, that kind of time last year. It's going to 2 years now. So this is me trying to adjust the hair to get it to where I want it to be and how I want it to be. Yes. So going in now with my mousse, so I will just put this in my palm and then rub it on the front of the head, the edges of that 5x5 closure. This product helps the closure to lap well on your forehead when you tie it down with your band. Yes, that is what it does. It helps it to lap well. It helps to lap well, and there will be no hairs moving up and down. That is its main work. And of course, after applying this, I am going to use my hot comb to make sure that it's smooth. Yes, that's exactly what I'm doing right now, using my hot comb. When I was recording this part, I didn't notice that it didn't focus on the camera. It's not that clear, so you guys should just manage it, but you understand what's going on. So I'm trying to use the hot comb to make that part smooth, to make it flat. Yes, that's the word, make it flat, before I will put the got-to-be glue and then tie it down. I want it to be very flat so that it can lap well on my forehead. Exactly. So I'm going in now with my got-to-be spray. This 5x5 is supposed to be glueless, but the way they attach the band, it doesn't lap so well. So I have to use the spray. I have to add the spray so that everything will go so well. That's why I'm adding the got-to-be spray there. Just few drops of it. And then I'm using my comb to adjust that, take it to the places I need it to be. I didn't add much because after I am going to pull this out, so I don't want it to become too strong there. I don't want it to hold it down that strong. So I just added few of that, and I use my comb to make sure that everything is in order. And I'll go ahead and tie it with my hairband. And that is me tying it with my band. Guys, I'm sorry about that dog that is barking in the background. I don't know why that dog should be barking by this time of the evening. So I am tying it down right now to secure it, to secure the edges, to make sure that the closure is well seated on my forehead, right? So now I'm using my comb to cut it so well so that the C cuts will show very well. That's what I'm using my comb to do. That is what I am doing right now to make sure that the cutting is neat. And after this, I am going to go in again with my Gorilla Gel. Yes, that's the second gel I'll be using. I won't be using hair wax, so I'll be using this instead. I will use my Gorilla Gel to hold it down. Hold down the excess hair, and this gel makes the hair to shine too. This Gorilla Gel, it adds shine to your hair. Yes, but it's not in all cases that you will use it. So sometimes you need to use your hair wax, but in this we are using Gorilla Gel because I want it to hold down that hair. Then after applying this Gorilla Gel, I am still going to use my hot comb to hold it down. You guys can see what that hot comb is doing. That was really hot, so I'm using it to hold down the hair to make it very flat. Very flat before I will go ahead to tie it the second time. Yes, I will tie this hair the second time, so I'm still using my hot comb on it. I want it so flat. You must not skip this process if you want that your frontal or your 5x5 to be flat. You must not skip this process of using Gorilla Gel after tying it for the first time. So moving on to tie again. This is me tying the hair for the second time, and it gave me a kind of issues because that band wasn't long enough. The band wasn't long enough. So after tying, I use my hand to adjust it to where I need it to be. As you can see, it was just exactly on top of the first one. So I use my hand to adjust it, shift it a little bit backwards so that it can hold down the hairs where I want it to hold it down. So guys, we are done with securing the closure where we want it to be. So we're going to move on now. Yes, I'm feeling myself already. So after doing some touch up on my face, I am back. Looking prettier. Yes. Ooh, that was, I don't even know what to say. It was beginning to give me headache at that point because I carried it throughout the time I was doing my makeup. And of course, guys, I know you guys love this simple makeup look. The video will be dropping shortly after this hair tutorial. So this is me trying to use my powder to blend the places that the foundation and powder didn't get to because I was covering it with a band. And then this is me doing the baby hair. I am no longer a fan of baby hair, but I've already got that out. So, and this me using my foundation to make sure that that cut is sharp, to make it sharp, look very nice and neat. And this hair is already good like this. So meanwhile, this is the dry look of the hair. So you can actually carry it like this. I can actually carry it like this. So we'll still compare. So we are still going to make it wet. And now this is me going in with my mixture, my conquer mixture, my water, leave-in conditioner, and a bit, just a little of Eco Styler gel, just a little of it. So This is me spraying it on this hair to get it wet, to make it wet. And of course here the hair is now wet. So the hair is wet now. So guys, which one do you prefer, the dry look or the wet look? This is me trying to comb it with my white tooth comb so that it will come out very nice the way I want it. So guys, which one do you prefer and how did I do? Did I install the hair well? I need you to say something in the comment section. Rate me if you're to rate my installation game. If you're to rate me, so what will you be rating me over 10? So this is the oil that is going to make the hair shine. I've forgotten the name of this oil, so that's me rubbing it on my palm and then adding it, just a little of it. It adds shine to your hair. You use it on your bone straights. I use it on all my heads. Anyone. I don't have much though. I use it on my straight heads and I use it on curly ones. Anyone, just to add shine, make it shine. Can see? And this is my butterfly, what they call it, butterfly spray. The work is to hold down the cords. Yes, it makes the coils to last longer. Just little, you don't need much of it. If you apply this and if you spray it too much, the hair is going to become stiff. Just a little of it, that's just what you need. And guys, I need your comment in the comment section. Say something. How did I do? Did I do well? Did I install the hair well? You see me film myself now. Fine girl. I too fine, a bag. I'm so cute. So my lovelies, with that we come to the end of this installation video. I hope you guys love it. And this makeup I'm carrying is a no makeup look. The video will be dropping shortly after this. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment and share, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until I come your way next time, I love you all. Bye.